Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get a loan from Moniepoint in 2025 using just your phone. So step 1, download or open the Moniepoint app. Install the Moniepoint business app from the Play Store or App Store and log into your account. Step 2, navigate to the loan section. Once you are logged in, tap on the loans in the bottom menu. Step 3, check eligibility. Moniepoint will display whether you are eligible for a loan based on your account activity. If you are eligible, you will see an offer. Step 4. Choose loan amount and duration. Select how much you want to borrow and the repayment period that you like. The app will show the interest and total repayment upfront. Step 5. Submit requests and get cash. Tap the apply button, and if you are approved, the loan amount is credited instantly to your Moniepoint wallet or linked bank account. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.